Before. After. First, we need to create a duplicate copy, then unlock the layer. Then, using the quick selection tool, and we need to carefully mark the area where we want to change the color. For zoom in equals Control plus space plus mouse left click. And for zoom out equals Alt plus space plus mouse left click. Once the image is marked as good, click on the adjustment layer. Then select solid color. And choose your favorite color, then hit OK. Select blending mode and click HUE. Feather 3.2 pixels. Thanks for watching the full video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.